Hello, my name is Azaraman. I'm the head of academics in Maple Bear UAE. As part of our new initiatives, we are doing activities beyond the curriculum. We have a theme called a scientific affair where children across all Maple Bear branches will indulge in science experiments. So the program lasts for a month, and every day each class will do different experiments.
At Maple Bear, we provide opportunities by allowing children to ask questions and providing them with the tools and resources to find answers. We foster their critical thinking skills. Our science curriculum encourages children to make observations using their 5 senses. They learn to identify patterns, make connections, and draw conclusions based on their observations. We also emphasize the importance of experimentation in our science approach. Through experiments, children learn to hypothesize, test their ideas, and analyze the results. This process allows them to develop problem-solving skills and gain a better understanding of cause and effect.
So science at Maple Bear is not just for the older children. It's also about introducing the younger ones to basic science concepts like color mixing, hot and cold, sing and float. Again, it's about the hands-on experience to give them the love of learning, the interest, getting them all curious, getting them to ask all the right questions.
We believe that by providing them with opportunities to engage in scientific thinking and inquiry, we are laying the foundation for future scientific understanding and discovery.